Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Our topic for today is about the construction in the Philippines. Okay. First of all, I made this video na to po, so para po magmayabang. Hindi po natin 40 yan, okay, mag-alala. Rather, is the vice versa. I'm here to share my stories, to inspire, and to help you start visualizing your own dream house without being afraid of the cost. Ano ba yung cost? Ito yung gastos. Lahat, mostly kasi, pag sinabing dream house, natatakot agad sa gastos. Kasi, ang pagpapagawa ng bahay, malaking gastos nga naman yan. Pero hindi kasi yon. Let me tell you my story. If you will focus on the outcome, walang mangyayari sa inyo. Although, it's a good starting point. You have this target, but you will not get this target if you will not start. So you will start step by step. Gano'n man kaliit ang step na yan. At least you are on your way to go there. So ganun dapat tayo. Hindi tayo nakakonsentrate sa isang bagay na napakalaki pero wala tayong ginagawa. That's not how to start. You will see those big things differently and you will start on the bottom step by step. So that will be the focus of my topics and my succeeding videos. So sana magustuhan nyo. Okay, let's start. How to achieve your dream house. Yun kasi yun eh. So ang i-discuss ko sa particular video na to ay ang different kind of construction in the Philippines. Una, kung gusto mo ng dream house mo, kailangan mong malaman kung saan ka ba magpo-fall sa construction ng dream house mo. Sa pagkakaintindi ko, on my own understanding, there are tatlo na klase ng construction in the Philippines. Okay, the first one, ito yung sinasabi nating for mayayaman or yung sa class A. Sila yung may mga pera, may ipon, may business, or may finance para masuportahan yung construction. Ito yung tipo ng construction na kukuha ka ng engineer, architect, tapos ipapabahala mo na sa kanila. You were just talk with the details kung ilang kwarto, ganyan. O engineer, may 2 million ako, ikaw nang bahala sa bahay ko. That is the first construction type in the Philippines. Okay, the second type construction in the Philippines is, ito yung siguro mga nasa mid-class. Ito naman yung type na meron ka ring konting ipon and gusto mo na siyang start. And itutuloy mo siya monthly basis. Ito yung sinasabi nating subdivision type. Yan yun. Or yung mga loan sa pag-ibig. Ganyan yan. So, magda-down ka ng particular amount. For example, 100,000. Then, gagawan na yun. Start na yun ng construction upon your down payment. Then, tatapusin na nila yun. Yung succeeding balance mo, i-divide nila monthly. Then, huhulugan mo yun until ma-finish siya in several period of times. In how many years? 10 years, 15 years, or 25 years, and so on. So, that is the second type of construction here in the Philippines. But don't worry, if you don't fall on the first one or the second one, there is always the third one. Me, myself, I fall in the third one. Ito naman yung sinasabi nating installment type of construction in the Philippines. Ito yung parang class B rin or nasa mid-level ka, parang class 2 pala. Meron kang pera pero monthly basis siya na itutuloy mo siya. For example, sumasahod ka ng 50,000 per month. So kung ano lang yung pera mo sa 50,000, yun lang yung gagamitin mo sa construction. So alam ko mostly of us ganito na yung style ng pagpapatayo ng bahay. Sabihin mo, pag may pera na lang ako, doon na lang natin paggawa ang kusina. Me, myself, ganun ang ginawa ko. So, kung ano lang yung sahod ko sa buwan na to, yun lang yung gagamitin nila para mapagawa yung construction. I start with the bedroom, then toilet, kitchen, and fencing, and everything, hanggang mabuo ko yung dream house ko. So, don't be afraid na kung wala ka man pera, hindi mo mapapatayo yung dream house mo. There's always a way kung gusto mo talaga. So, the first step kung paano mo ma-achieve yung dream house mo is to identify kung anong type of construction ba ang gagawin mo. It's either class 1, type 1, type 2, or type 3. But most of this topic will fall on the type 3. Kasi yung type 1 and type 2, lalabas ka lang talaga ng pera dyan eh. So, in these particular videos and the succeeding videos, we will focus on the type 3, which is installment type of construction. So, paano mo ba unti-untiin na mabuo yung dream house mo with the limited amount of money? Of course, may perks din to. Meron siyang advantages at disadvantage. Ang advantage na to, yung type 3 of kind of construction, compared to type 2 and type 1. Dito matututukan mo yung construction, ma-hold mo yung budget, and of course, kung ano yung particular na gusto mo. Unlike kasi sa type 2, meron na silang design. So, hindi ka na pwedeng maglaro doon unless i-customize yung bahay mo after. Or mag-a-adjust ka, ilalaki mo yung bakuran mo. Pero dito kasi, sa type 3, ikaw mismo eh. So, kung ano yung gusto mong uri ng bahay, yun yung focus niya. Okay? So, gusto mo malaking kusina, yun. So, ikaw ang bahala. That is your dream house. Yun nga lang, part by part. And ang maganda doon, na-control mo yung budget. Okay. So, ano naman yung disadvantage nito? Ang disadvantage nito is yung labor cost mo napapalaki. Kasi since part by part ka, nagtatagal yung construction mo. Pero, for me, okay lang eh. As long as livable siya. Diba? Yun naman yung target mo. At saka, motivational kasi. Pag nakikita mo tapos yung kusina, na-inspired ka. Tapos, sabi mo, kulang pa yung tile sa banyo. So, mapupush ka eh. Nagiging inspiration mo siya at the same time na pag may nakitang achievement, wow, napagawa ko na pala yung kusina. Tapos at the same time, mapupush mo yung sarili mo, ay, may kulang pa pala dun sa banyo. So, that is the advantage of this type 3. And we will focus on the step-by-step parts kung paano natin malalaman more detail and paano ba natin ma-achieve yung dream house natin using the step 3 or the type 3 type of construction here in the Philippines. So, kung nagustuhan mo yung topic natin for this particular video and interested ka pa sa mga susunod na topic, which is the next part is the construction material costs in the Philippines this 2020. Kasi ang construction cost, preview lang, nag-iiba yan per year. So, tumataas mo ba? Depends. Okay. So, please like, share, and subscribe on the button down below for more videos like this. And sana magkita-kita pa tayo dun sa susunod na video. Salamat.